Hello friends, in this video we are going to install XAMPP and Composer for Laravel 12 on our Mac operating system. So let's start. We need to install the XAMPP server or any other Apache server that supports minimum PHP 8.2. So we will download the XAMPP from apachefriends.org website. So I'm going to open this website, apachefriends.org. So here we are going to click on download, and you can see the download is for Windows browsers, Linux and Mac operating system. We are going to download the latest version in Mac operating system, and that is the 8.2.4. So we are going to download this version. So download has been started, you can see. We are already having the XAMPP old version installed at our system. Here you can see. So we can simply rename it. If you are having the old version of XAMPP, then you can simply rename it. Okay, go inside your hard disk and here application where you have installed the XAMPP. So here already I am having the XAMPP underscore old. This I have done the last time. Now once again I am required to make it old. So instead of making it old, I'm going to make it XAMPP 2024. Okay, so that I can install the new version of XAMPP with the name XAMPP. So we are just required to rename, and our download has been done. I'm going to the download folder. We can simply check in the downloads, and here you can see the XAMPP has been downloaded. So now we are ready to install it. It is showing one error. XAMPP operating system 8.2.4 installer cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. So for resolving this issue, we can search this one online. Okay, I'm going to simply copy this one, and we can search in Google or we can search in ChatGPT, and I can just simply paste this one here. See, these are the steps that we are required to take so that it will allow our installation. So we are going to the system settings. Okay, so we are going to take the settings. I'm going to open the system settings, then privacy and security. After that we will go to the scroll down, and we can see the XAMPP here somewhere. Here we can see, here we can click on open anyway, and we can give the system password here and modify setting. So we can click on open, and once again we will give the password. Yes, click on allow. So it is already installing, and I think now it must get installed. See, now the installation has been started. You can see we can just click on next and next. Okay, so finally the installation has been started. So you need to make sure that you rename your old XAMPP. Okay, and also you can remove your old XAMPP from, if you have added somewhere, you can remove from here, so that you can add here the new one. Okay, remove from sidebar. We are going to add the new one here. So we can check out the installation is under process. We're going to click on allow. Finally, we are going to click on finish. So XAMPP has been installed. Open the applications and we can see the new folder is here. XAMPP folder is here. We have already renamed the old folder to XAMPP underscore 2024 and this one is our new XAMPP. So it also open the XAMPP panel. So we can run the Apache server is already running and we can run the MySQL server as well, MySQL database as well. We can click allow once again and MySQL database is also running now. Now we can check the installation here. We can open the local host here. Here we can see the XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB PHP Perl. Welcome to XAMPP for OS 8.2.4. Okay, so we can check the PHP info from here and we can check the version. It's PHP version 8.2.4. That is the required version for Laravel 12. So this one is fine and we can also check the phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin is also working fine. So we are going to check our steps. Latest XAMPP has been installed for Mac operating system that is required by Laravel 12. Now we are going to install the Composer. Okay, so Composer is required to install the packages and Laravel as well. So we are going to install the Homebrew to install the Composer. So first of all, we are going to install the Homebrew. These are the steps that will help us to install the Homebrew, and after that we are going to install the Composer. You can see these steps in the video description as well. So I'm going to open this website brew.sh. So for installing Homebrew, we are required to copy this command. We can click here and then we are going to open the terminal and we'll paste this command here and run this command. So it will ask the system password. We are going to give the system password here and click enter. Once again we are going to click enter. So you can see it is installing, downloading and installing Homebrew. It will take few seconds. So the Homebrew has been installed. Now we are going to follow the next step. So this Homebrew has been installed. Now we are ready to install the Composer. We are going to run this command brew install Composer to install the Composer in our Mac system. Inside terminal where we have installed the Homebrew. Okay, so we are going to install now Composer. Brew install Composer. So it is downloading Composer now. The latest version of Composer, that is 2.7.2. Here you can check out the Composer version, that is the latest 2.7.2 is installing now. The Composer has been installed. We can run the Composer and can see the Composer command is running fine. Okay, we can update the Composer as well. So these are the commands that can help us to update the Composer self update. If we will run the Composer self update, then it will help us to update the Composer. Okay, so like this. You are already using the latest version of Composer, so that's why Composer version is already 2.8.5, so it will not run the update. So we can check the Composer version with this command as well, composer -- version. So we can run this one and it will PHP version is 8.4.4 and Composer version is 2.8.5. okay, so our Composer is working fine. So now our Mac is ready to install and work with Laravel 12. Subscribe for more Laravel tutorials. Subscribe to youtube.com/tech-developers. So this is the channel. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can able to follow the Laravel 12 multi-vendor e-commerce series and also for all Laravel updates. You can subscribe this tech developers channel and you can also join the channel to get the complete source
Hello
code.
friends, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel. We are going to see new features and enhancements of Laravel 12 in this video. So let's start. First one is
So you can subscribe the channel for more Laravel updates and for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Laravel 12, and you can join to get the complete source code. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Goodbye.